Find the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane r bar dot minus 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0 passing through the origin. So you know the equation of a plane in a vector form r bar dot n cap is equal to d and the Cartesian form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to d and Ax plus By plus Cz equal to d. Both are equation of plane in Cartesian form. In this case L, M and N are the direction cosines of this is normal to the vector here. Normal vector, unit normal vector perpendicular to the plane and A, B, C are the direction ratios of unit vector perpendicular to the plane here. We just observe here. So this is the equation of the plane here. Okay. Given equation of the plane. Equation of plane is r bar dot of 6i minus 3j minus of 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Take a plus 1 right hand side here. So r bar dot of 6i minus 3j minus 2k that is equal to minus 1 here. Here right side term it denotes the distance d here. K, this distance d, and you know that distance is always positive here. Yes, multiplying both sides by minus 1 here. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, it gives r bar dot of plus 6 becomes minus 6 here. Minus 6i minus into minus becomes a plus 3j minus into minus becomes a plus 2k is equal to minus into minus becomes a plus 1 here. Okay. Here this is a normal vector here, but this is not a unit normal vector because we just observe here 6 square is 36 here. So 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. It gives 49 here. So this is not is equal to 1 here. You know that suppose if this condition satisfied here, L square plus N square plus N square is equal to 1, then L, M and N are the direction cosines here. But these are not direction cosines, these are direction ratios because this is not equal to 1 here. Okay. This product, sum is not equal to 1. Yes, these are not direction cosines, these are direction ratios here. Okay. Because direction ratios a square plus b square plus c square is not is equal to 1 here in this case. So therefore these are direction ratios are not direction cosines here. Therefore here n bar is equal to this vector here minus of 6i plus 3j plus 2k. Then find its modulus here. Modulus of n bar is the root of minus 6 square is 36 here plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 here. Therefore this is equal to 49 here. Root of 49, square root of 49 is 7. Therefore dividing both sides by 7 to this equation here. So take this one as equation number 1 here. Dividing equation 1 by 7 on both sides here. On both sides. Dividing both sides by 7 here. Yes, r bar dot of minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k divided by 7 is equal to 1 divided by 7. Dividing both sides by 7 here. So this can be written as a r bar dot of or what dot of minus 6 upon 7, minus of 6 upon 7 into I, 3 divided by 7 plus 3 divided by 7 into j plus 2 upon 7 here plus 2 divided by 7 k, that is equal to 1 divided by 7 here. So these are the direction cosines here. So minus 6 upon 7, minus 6 by 7, 3 divided by 7, 2 by 7, or direction cosines of n cap here. Okay, so unit vector means n cap. Therefore, this is n cap here. It is a unit vector along this ON here. Okay, therefore minus 6 by 7, minus 3 by 7, 2 by 7 are direction cosine. You can verify it. So 6 upon 7 square is a 36 divided by 49 here. Then plus 3 by 7 square is a 9 by 49 here. Then plus here. So 2 square is a 4 divided by 49. So 49 is the LCM. 49 LCM. So 36 plus 9 plus 4 here. Therefore this gives a 49 divided by 49 here. It gives what here? Yes, so these are direction cosines here because this condition is satisfied here. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1 here. If this condition is satisfied, then L m n are the direction cosines here. Hence this condition satisfied here. It gives 1. So these are the direction cosines of this normal to the plane of vector. So find out distance of the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0 from the origin here. So find the distance dl. Therefore equation of the plane is equation of the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal minus of 6 is equal to 0. Take the minus 6 right hand side here. So 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6 here. Here this equation is in this form here. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d because here this condition is not satisfied here. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then only these are the direction cosines here. Okay, just observe here. 2 square becomes 4, 3 square becomes 9 here, and 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 9, 29 here. So therefore this is not equal to 1 here. So this is not equal to 1 means 2 minus 3, 4 are not a direction cosines here. These are direction ratios. Okay. And one more thing, here this is a plane, even this is also plane. But here in the second case d is there. Here this d is not representing this distance here. D is not representing the distance. If you want to find this distance, first write the equation in this form. First write the equation in this form, then only this d becomes a distance here. Distance of the plane from origin. Okay, here d not represents a distance here. It is only constant here in this case. In this case, here d represents the distance of the plane from the origin here. Therefore, first write the equation in this form here. Means find the direction cosines here. Okay. Therefore, direction ratios of normal to the plane. Normal to the plane are 2 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 3, 4. Okay. You know that suppose A, B, C are the direction ratios here. A, B, C are direction ratios. Then the direction cosines. Then direction cosines are given by, so a divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square, and b divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square here, and c divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, you know this formula. These are the direction cosines of these direction ratios, not the direction cosines and direction ratios here. Here ABC are the direction ratios, then direction cosines are a by root a square plus b square plus c square, b by root a square plus b square plus c square, c by root of a square plus b square plus c square here. Therefore, direction here dividing each term by root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to here 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 9 29, root of 29 here, root of 29. Therefore direction cosines are 2 divided by root of 29 here, comma minus of 3 divided by root of 29, and 4 divided by root of 29 here, root of 29. Therefore I take this one as equation number 1 here. Therefore equation 1 can be written as, therefore 1 can be written as, so 2 divided by root of 29 into x here, minus of 3 divided by root of 29 y, then plus 4 divided by root of 29 z here, and that is equal to 6 divided by root of 29. So this is in this form here. So Lx plus my plus nz equal to dr. Just dividing both sides by root of 29 here, we get this way. Therefore here these are what here? These are direction cosines now. Yes, this becomes what is distance. Distance of the plane from the origin here. Therefore distance of the plane, distance of the plane from origin is equal to 6 by root of 29. 6 divided by root of 29. Okay, therefore remember it here. Here in this case d not represents the distance here. In this case d represents the distance of the plane from origin. Therefore, if you want the distance, write the equation in this form here. Here L, M and N are direction cosines here. If they are direction ratios, then use this case here, this formula. Then dividing both sides by root of L square plus M square plus N square, then those becomes a direction cosines here. Therefore, this d represents the distance of the plane from the origin. So determine the direction cosines of the normal to the plane z equal to 2, and also find the distance from the origin here. Therefore equation of the plane is, equation of the plane is z is equal to 2x. So then you can write this equation as 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z is equal to 2x. Okay. You can write this equation in this form here. Yes, 0, 0, 1 are the direction cosines here. Therefore, 0, 0, 1 are direction cosines of normal to the plane here. These are the direction cosines here. Okay, because this condition satisfied here. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to, so 0 square is a 0, again 0 square is a 0 and 1 square is a 1, so therefore it becomes 1 here. This condition satisfied. Yes, these are the direction cosines of a normal to the plane. Okay. Next, obviously, this two different water distance. This equation in this form here, Lx plus my plus and z equal to d. Therefore, here this represents the distance here. Therefore, distance from the origin and distance from the origin is equal to 2 units. Okay. Therefore, if the equation in this form here, if equation in this form, then obviously d is the distance here. If the equation in this form, d is not a distance; it is only constant here. Therefore, first write the equation in this form, then you can write the distance of the plane from the origin. The next example, determine the direction cosines of the normal to the plane x plus 5 plus z equal to 1 and the distance from the origin here. Therefore, given equation of plane is x plus 5 plus z equal to 1 here. So, this equation in this form here. Okay, ax plus by plus cz equal to dr. Okay, therefore 1 and 1 are the direction ratios here. So here 1 and 1 are direction ratios of a normal to the plane. Normal to the plane. Therefore, dividing equation 1 by equation 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 3 on both sides here. Therefore, this equation becomes 1 upon root 3 into x plus 1 divided by root 3 into y plus 1 divided by root 3 into z is equal to 1 divided by root 3. 1 by root 3. So, comparing this equation with comparing this equation with the standard equation here Lx plus my plus nz is equal to dn. Okay. Then compare it here. So L is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, direction cosines of normal to the plane are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So 1 divided by root 3, 1 divided by root 3, 1 upon root 3, and distance is 1 by root 3. So distance from origin and distance of a plane from origin is equal to 1 divided by root 3. This is the answer here. So this is also just like a previous example here. Find direction, cosine, and distance of the plane 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, equation of plane is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. Therefore, 2, 3 minus 1. Our direction ratios here 2, 3 minus 1 are direction ratios of normal to the plane. So dividing equation 1 by root of so 2 square here plus 3 square then plus minus 1 square here. That is the root of 2 square is 4 here. So 3 square is 9 minus 1 square is 1. 10 plus 4 14. Root of 14 here. Dividing both sides by root of 14 here. Okay. Therefore, this equation can be written as 2 by root of 14 into x here. 3 by root of 14 into y minus 1 divided by root of 14 into z is equal to 5 divided by root of 14. Therefore, comparing this with the standard equation here, so direction cosines are 2 by root 14 here, 2 divided by root 14, comma 3 by root 14, 3 divided by root of 14 and minus 1 by root 14 here, minus 1 divided by root 14 and the distance is 5 by root 14 here, 5 divided by root of 14.